In this video, we'll be discussing KBMax's ability to do CAD automation. KBMax has plug-and-play rule building for solutions like SolidWorks, Autodesk Inventor, and AutoCAD, PTC Creo, and many others through our CAD extension. Let's look at a CAD automation example in KBMax. I've got a 3D visual configuration that's incredibly quick. When I make changes, you can see those instantly. But maybe what we want to do now is kick this off into a CAD automated document. Once I submit this, the build begins. In this case, it will be sending the request to SolidWorks, where the SolidWorks rules have been written in KBMax to pass along certain fields and updates and rules. When the automation is completed, you have all the necessary outputs. ToughShed is using KBMax to generate cut lists, drawings, and technical outputs directly from the 3D visuals using SVG. It's also worth noting that once your team is done configuring, they can have the choice of what documents need to be generated in the sales cycle. In this example, they might want to include things like the proposal document, the 3D rendering, terms and conditions, all of this optional, and then choose to include maybe the engineering drawing. And from there, choose the appropriate outputs that are needed from KBMax.